Okay, well, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off dark mode on Facebook. So here you can see I'm on the dark mode of Facebook and it is the latest version of Facebook. But if you would like to get the general mode of Facebook, that means you need to turn off the dark mode on Facebook, then this video is for you. Now I'm showing you how to turn off dark mode on Facebook. So at first you need to just log in your account. Okay, when you log in your account, then you just need to simply click over the home button. Then you to wait for a while, it gets refreshed. Okay, now the thing you need to look at here you can see at the right top corner has account options. You just need to simply click over there. When you click here, then you will be able to find a few options here. So from there, the options you need to select to turn off dark mode is here. You can see dark mode as it is turned on, so you just need to simply click over there to turn it off. Okay, when you click here, you can see we get back the general mode. That means we have turned off the dark mode. So in this way you can turn on and turn off the dark mode. But if you further would like to turn on dark mode, then again click over the account and simply you just need to click over there, then it will get back on the dark mode. So I think it will be helpful for you.